Here are the terms. So guys, first of all, we need to enable the Gemini in our console. So just start with our opening the Cloud Shell. So let's start with the task one. So here we need to open the Cloud Shell and we need to log in. We have to sign into our Google account in the cloud. For that, we'll be saving our project ID and regions in the variables. So just copy this code and run in the Cloud Shell. And also we need to store our Google account. We are using student Google account in this variable user. So run this command. Click on authorize. Okay. Now we have to give the IAM roles to our Google account. So just copy this code and we'll be giving the access to our Google account by using this. Okay. We have given the access. Now just refresh our tab so that we will get access to Gemini. We need to check our progress. Okay. Wait for some time. It will take some time to reflect here. Just run this code again. Okay, sorry, we missed this step. Okay, we have not given access to the Gemini base. Okay, now run these IAM logs. Yeah, okay. Have completed this. And now we'll be creating a data set and we'll be enabling this Gemini for the BigQuery. Yeah, for this, need to open the BigQuery. Click on BigQuery. Click on done. You can minimize this console. Okay, here as we can see, this is our lab. We are working up. Okay, click on this view actions and click on create dataset. Okay, we need to give the dataset ID. Here, this is the dataset ID. Copy this one, paste it here. And in the location type, we need to select multi-region, and that's it. Remaining will be as is, leave them, and click on create dataset. Yeah, it is created dataset BGML tutorial. And now we need to enable the Gemini features in BigQuery. Yeah, for that, just go to this icon, Gemini, the drop-down menu. As you can see, these are the Gemini provisions. Okay, you can enable everything here. So click on this. It will be enabled. If these are not tick mark, if we don't say tick mark here, also select these options and enable them. Okay, just let's check out the progress. Okay, we have successfully created the data set. And now we will use Gemini to analyze our data. Okay, and now for that we need to open Gemini. So now just refresh our tab. Okay, you can see Gemini here, Gemini AI chart. Just open this Gemini AI. Click on start charting. Okay, and now just enter this prompt here, that how we can learn about data sets, the queries and tables. Just give this prompt to Gemini. And you can go through this. Okay, we can learn about dataset using BigQuery console or command line prompts, SQL queries, and BigQuery APIs. You can go through these informations. And if you want to reset the chart, click on this icon, clear chart. Okay, the chart is clear. Let's continue to our next task. Okay, we'll Gemini. Now we will be using Gemini to explain the SQL queries here. So just we need to click on create new SQL query in the Explorer page, analysis in the BigQuery Studio. Click on this SQL query. A new query is created. And just copy this code, like copy this query and paste it here. And click on this run. As you can see the user IDs, user's first name, last name, and the average sales prices for this, for this query. And if you want to know what is this query about, you can just select this query and click on this Gemini and explain this query. Yeah, you can see the detailed breakdown of the query we have given. Okay, okay, that's it. You can check our progress now here. Okay, now just generate a new SQL query from using Gemini. For that, okay, you can create a new query or you can run this in the same query. Okay, I'm taking this new query here, like untitled query, just another file one. Here, just copy this code, this prompt, and paste it here. Okay, now just select this one and click on Gemini. And you can this transform button. Here, we can also give this and remove this hash and click on generate. Okay, it has given the code and the SQL query for our prompt. You can use this by clicking on insert, okay, here, or you can, okay, select this query and copy this query or paste it here. Okay, I'm copying that one here. You can use that the given prompt also. Click on this run. You can see the sales price data here. Okay, just okay, we have completed that and just check our progress here. Now we will be building a model that will forecasting model to view the results. Yeah, for that we need to give this query here. Just replace this query with the new query. Okay, if you want to know what is this query about, you can just select this all query, click on this Gemini icon, and click on this explain this query. You can see a detailed breakdown here of that query. Yeah, you can go through this and know what is this query about. Okay, it is actually building a model for the results. Now click on this run icon. Okay, for creating this model, it will take minimum of 5 minutes. So we need to wait for 5 minutes until the model is built. Okay, we need to wait until these execution details go to this results page. Just wait for some time. Okay, the model is successfully created. Just click on this go to model to see the model info. Yeah, see here this is the model information, like what is the model ID and the date created and model expiries here. These are the details of the model. Need this model ID for the next process. Copy this one to a notepad. This is our model ID. Okay. Yeah, now we'll be using that model for using the results, for seeing the results. Just copy this code and here in the second query page, open this second query page and remove this one. Paste the query we have copied right now. Here, this in this project ID, dataset ID, model name, just copy the model name. Now we have copied. Copy this model ID, paste it here. Okay, copy this one correctly and remove this one also. Just the extra text from the we have copied. Okay, now just click on this run. Okay, here we have used this model, not the table or the BigQuery. We used this model to see the results. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. Now we can check our progress. And here also check our progress. Yeah, we have completed our lab 100%. Okay, now just end our lab. That's it, guys. If you have any queries, like if you have any step you have missed in this one, you can ask now. Please unmute yourself and ask your queries. Anyone have any queries, guys?